Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. Please, this look of pure exhaustion and tiredness is 100%. It is about a half hour past my bedtime, but I wanted to film this video because it's yet another wonderful plant unboxing. I was just planning to do this tomorrow, but I can't leave a plant in the box overnight. Backstory over this plant. I believe I ordered this plant over 2 weeks ago, and it was supposed to come priority with just like a few days shipping, and a whole bunch of crazy nonsense happened. This plant ended up getting shipped to the wrong post office after being delayed days, and then it completely just went, like, no information on it could be found. I had to like file a claim, and then the claim, they said, okay, well, it's at a post office, we're just waiting for that post office to send it to your correct post office. And eventually like 3 weeks later, I have this plant now. So hopefully it's alive. So if you're interested in seeing along with me if this plant is alive and what this plant is, then keep on watching. Alright, let me just pan you guys down like I usually do. Alright, box. I just feel like I've been having half-assed luck with plant buying these days, like online plant purchases. So hopefully this one also does not disappoint, because I'll be so sad. Alright, more of this popcorn that I dislike. Let me just toss these. This plant was also an eBay buy. I tend to get most of my plants from just eBay. Or online also, in general, because you can find anything you want online, honestly. It's so dusty. Oh my god. For the tragedy that this plant has been through, I am not mad at how this plant looks. I'm a little sad, yeah, but not mad. So again, apologize for the dirt under my fingers. I've planted maybe 3 different plants today. Yeah, I'm planning on selling a lot of plants, so keep an eye out on that. That's what I've been planning. I've been propagating to plant a lot of things too. But this is a Kalanchoe Pink Butterfly, a mother of thousands pink butterfly. So I guess I'll insert a photo of what this is supposed to look like. But yeah, this is actually really sad. Sad. Pruny, but again, this plant was supposed to arrive to me a while ago, and by no fault of the seller, mainly fault of just a crappy USPS system, this is super dry, so I'm going to do my best to mend this plant. It's a cacti. I mean, it's a succulent, so I'm not worried about it bouncing back at all. I'm just gonna give it some nutrient-rich soil, toss all of the soil out, and give it my own soil. Put it in a clay pot also. Get it out of this little plastic nursery pot. There's actually 2 plants in here, so for now I'm just gonna keep them both together, and eventually I will want to separate the 2 plants into their own pots. But for now, like I said, I'm gonna leave it inside of a clay or terracotta or little planter. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching this video and seeing this surprise. Oh, look at this. There were little babies in there that dried up. Oh, but these plants are so hardy. This is gonna bounce back. I'm not worried at all. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. My unboxing of my very sad, withering, dried Kalanchoe Pink Butterfly. Again, I have such high hopes for this plant. It does not look as bad as I expected it to, so that's a plus, a pro. But yeah, I'm going to pot this in proper, well-draining soil, and we're all gonna see in the next couple of weeks how this baby does. But guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it also. Subscribe if you aren't already. Join this little kooky family because we're pretty awesome here. And don't forget to enter the giveaway to win your very own philodendron. And also, do you have a Kalanchoe? Because this is my 3rd Kalanchoe. I have the Mother of Thousands, the Mother of Millions, I believe, or the chandelier plant. And now I have the pink butterfly. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.